Newsletters offer a way to share advice and build your credibility and expertise about your industry in your followers' eyes. More importantly, it's a means to touch bases with the people who put their hand up and said, yes, I want to hear from you. By sending consistent newsletters to your list, you are essentially reminding those followers of who you are, what you do, and to remind them to keep you in their sights for when they do need your product or services. Selling should be the last thing on your mind with your regular newsletters. Instead, offer great value that you know your followers will find useful, and you will naturally get leads who respond that are interested in your service offerings when the time is right for them.